Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have an Aliexpress haul for you today. So this is a mixed haul, so lots of different stuff. So first up, I wanted to show you these VENALISA. These are the mud gels. So I got number 24. I think these are all open. No, they're not. Oh, yes it is. It is open. Right. So this one is like it's like a very light grey colour. So that is number 24. I will do a separate swatch video of any polishes I'm going to show you today because there's too many. And I also ordered number 40, which is a black. That's black there. They're very small, but with these mud gels you don't need a lot. I'm curious to see what they're like. And I ordered number 41, which is a white. Also 57, which is a khaki green. It's more green than that. It's hard to sort of show you. It's showing up more more yellow than what it actually is. It's the colour of this, but that's still showing up more yellow. Hopefully I can, when I swatch them, I can get a better picture. And I also ordered number 59, which is a gold. It's a really pretty gold, really pretty. Can't wait to try all these. And I also ordered number 69. So I just ordered like random colours. So the colour you see is the colour that it is. So it's a teal colour. And I mean, these are 5 grams. So they may look really dainty, but yeah. So I ordered this one as well, and this is number 74. Now they do have another colour of this. So this one does move around, so it's not as thick as the other ones, but I'm curious to see what that one actually looks like. So that is number 74. And I also ordered some of these. That's the brand on there. I ordered number 10 and 01. So number 10 is this one. Absolutely stunning. I can't wait to try it. Look at that goodness. Oh wow. Oh. So that's number 10, and this is number 1. And this is a more green colour. So this is obviously a flakies in a clear base. I can't wait to try them, and they are also 5 grams as well. So let me just put this aside and I'll grab something else. So I ordered some pigment powders, and I don't want to open them just yet, but let me see if I can show you how much is in there. So there's a fair amount in there, and these are the colours. So I got more sort of like brown and red tones, more sort of autumn tones. So you get 6 different ones, and obviously the lid is going to only go onto the top one, and then obviously as you go down you'll have to make sure when you undo it that that you don't tip the other ones. So I got them. They do have all different colours. I may go back and get some more. I really wanted some different ones, so that is them there. And sorry for the crackling, give me 1 second. So I ordered some of the watercolor things. So this one is called Moon Tavin, and I like that they come in a little box, and it's got a little thing. So these are not very deep, as you can see, but I wanted some shimmery ones to see what they were like, so we'll give them a try. So they're the colours there, all nice and shimmery. So that is Moon Tavin. And I also ordered, which one hibiscus as well. So this is a 6-piece one. So again, these are shimmery, and I've probably got them in this one actually. Probably got the same colours. Oh, if I can open it again. Oops. Without breaking my nails. Oh no, you do get slightly different colours. A couple of them are the same. They do have a couple of other different sets as well, but I thought I would just get these ones just for now and just see what they're like. So we'll have to give them a try in another video. So let me just grab something else out. So this seller sent me a free gift, and they sent me this little blue holographic hexagon mix, just a small amount, which is nice. Thank you very much. So I ordered some of this Russian self-leveling gel stuff. So I ordered, what did I order? I ordered Russian self-leveling clear. So these are glass bottles. So this is what it looks like. And as you can see, it's a nice thick one. So I ordered the clear. And I also ordered this one, Glitters Everywhere, which is the rubber gel base, which this is. I ordered the wrong one, it was meant to be clear, but I ordered the like milky white one by mistake. But I shall give it a go, because I normally use the Beauty Luxe as an overlay, and I've never ever had not one little bit of lifting. I have to keep infilling it because I've never once had any lifting. It's amazing, really good. So let me just clear this glitter up, I'll be right back. Okay, from this store I ordered this Silicone Mold, which looks like it's quite good quality. And as you can see, this little teddy bears, and there's lots of like detail on there. So yeah, I will give that a try. And from that same store I ordered this. So I ordered two because I thought I threw the other one away. So I thought that I would show you the one when it's how it comes packaged and what it looks like when it's put together. So this is a magnet on a stand. So this is how it comes packaged. So you're going to think, what is going on? So you just bend it into place like so, because you can maneuver it and place it however you want it to be, and then you can just have the magnet like normal, or have the magnet however you want it to be. So I'm not very good at doing it, I'll have to get somebody else to do it. But basically it will, once you've bent it all together, it will stand up, and then you could just put your magnetic polish on while it's drying or whatever. You could just put it underneath, because that's how it stands like that. You put your nail underneath, and you can have the magnet like this, or like this, or flat. So yeah, they do come in different colours, but I just went with the blue. So yeah, it was actually really cheap, so I will give that a try and let you know how that performs. But I'm pretty sure it would be absolutely fine. But yeah, let's just put that one away. So yeah, I'll have a play with that and let you know what that one's like. And then I ordered some stickers, and they sent me a stuff as a gift. So they sent me some stars, some holographic stars. So I got green, red, blue, which is a really pretty blue, and purple. Well, fuchsia. How pretty is that? You get quite a lot in there. I was really surprised. So I ordered, I'm just going to quickly flip through them. I think you do get some double ones in here. I will just quickly flick through them. So I got the pink and black one, so you get lots of different ones. So you get bows, diamonds, more bows. They're all stuck together. So I'll try and show you some of them. So you get a good mix of all different ones. I mean, if you want a closer look at them, let me know, and I could do a video where I just show these, but I just wanted to sort of briefly show you. They're very cute. I like that they're black and they're pink. So yeah, you get a good mix of all different ones here. Some eyes and lips and all sorts of different ones in that pack. So that's the first pack. Just put this away. So I ordered these designer ones. I ordered them in silver and in gold. So they're exactly the same in silver as you get in gold. So as you can see, these are all different designer ones. I just thought, well, I've got lots of stamping plates, but sometimes, you know, if I'm in a rush, then, I mean, you don't get that many actual designer logo ones in this pack, but you do get a good mix of all different ones in here. But yeah, so you get the same, exactly the same in the silver. And then in this designer pack, you get lots of different logo ones. I don't know if you're going to be able to see properly. So you get lots of different logo ones. Some with black. So you get lots of different ones in here. It's different styles. These are all on the same link, but obviously they don't show you what's in there. If you message the seller, they will let you know which is in which pack. I like that one. Just got the like 6 bits. Also this one. So yeah, I mean, you get lots of different styles. Same logo, different styles. So that is from that shop. Let me just put these away. And then from this store I ordered a bunch of crystals. So what happened was I knocked my SS3 crystals all over the floor. And yeah, there was just no saving them, because you think there's probably glitter and flick, and yeah, no, there was just no saving them. So yeah, I went on a bit of a binge. So I got some different coloured ones. So this is the first one. So this is like a champagne colour. It's not as golden as it's showing on the screen. So this is size SS3. So I got them ones. And these ones, they're really, really sparkly. It's not picking up how sparkly they are on the camera. I've got that one. And I got this one. So this is a different coloured back to these ones. So that's a silver back. This is a golden back. So they're really, really pretty. So sparkly. And these are actually a really good price. So I ordered these ones. So this is SS4. Because I had lots of different sizes. So I went for like the smaller sizes. So I got them ones. And I got these ones as well in SS4, and then these ones in 5, proper sparkly, and they were a really, really, really good price. And this is SS6, so pretty and sparkly. The camera is just not showing how sparkly these actually are. They are like super sparkly. And I ordered some black ones. So this is the smallest size. And then I ordered SS4. You can't see it. But yeah, I just wanted some in different colours. I do actually have some more coming from a different store. So this is like a much darker colour. So that's it in 3, in 4. And in 5. I don't know how I'm going to store these now. And I ordered these ones as well, which is a different colour to them ones. As you can see, these are more sort of like more of a brown gold, whereas these are a bit brighter. So that's number 3. And then I ordered number 4 in this colour, which is the same as the one I've just shown you. And I ordered them in size 5, and then I ordered these ones in 3. So these are some really, really pale pink. They're so pretty. And then I ordered these ones, if I can get them, in SS3. So these shift, hopefully I can pick it up. They sort of shift from like orange to like a pinky purpley colour, and then green. Hopefully I'm picking them all the colours up. So I ordered them in size 3, and then I ordered these ones, which are like super shiny, really, really shiny. So I ordered them in size 3, and then the last one I ordered the clear ones, and these are in number 3 as well. They are like really sparkly. So yeah, this is the end of my haul video. I will try and post as many links as I can down below, and yeah, let me know your thoughts. I do have some more stuff to haul, but this video is already quite long, so I will do another video. And yeah, let me know your thoughts down below, and I will do a swatch video of all of the pots that I showed you today. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching today. Please give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.